This video is about limits and why they are relevant to you. Just like in English, a limit is something you can come close to but never really achieve. In mathematics, you would consider the limit of a function as it begins to approach some number or value. If you followed the graph of a line and it looks like it's going to head towards something or converge, then the limit would be that number. For example, if you followed the graph of a curve and it looks like it's heading towards some value, then the limit would be that y value. This is called convergence. As we come closer and closer to positive 2, but not exactly 2, we are approaching 7. In most cases, if you follow a graph, it is clear what the limit evaluated at some x value would be. Let's look a little more in depth at another example. If we take the limit as x approaches 5, the resulting y value is 11. As I pick x values closer and closer to 5, I get y values closer and closer to 11. Another way to see the same conclusion is to plug values into a table. As we squeeze the x value closer and closer to 5, our y value is coming out closer and closer to 11. Important things to note here. We consider this limit from both the right and the left side. We chose values close to, but not the actual value in question. Often we will see that the limit exists, but the point isn't exactly there. Before we go, we should talk briefly about notation. This is read as the limit of x approaches 3 of 2x plus 1. Also, we have right-hand limits and left-hand limits. Left-hand limits are going from left to right, and right-hand limits are going from right to left. We'll talk more about these in the next video, but these would be read as the limit as x approaches 3 of 2x plus 1 from the left, and the other is read as the limit as x approaches 3 of 2x plus 1 from the right, which is the 3 to the power of the plus sign. I hope this video gave you an idea of how to take a basic limit. It does get a bit more complicated though, depending on the function. Just remember, in most cases you directly substitute in the x value into the function. If this fails, there are additional strategies you will need in order to solve the problem. This might seem like a pointless math thing to learn, but it really does have useful real-world applications. Remember that math is a language used to talk more precisely about the world. We're just learning some grammar along the way. In the next video, we'll discuss left and right-hand limits.
Thanks for watching a video from the Learning Commons Tutoring Video Library. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below. If you want to watch another video about this subject, click on the next video in the playlist. If you want to learn more about our lab hours or schedule an individual tutoring appointment with one of our tutors, click right here to go to our website. If you want to watch another video about a different subject, click right here to watch the complete collection of our tutoring videos. Thanks again for watching.